Good morning from Little Stanley Street here at the Brisbane 2023 Truck Show. It's a beautiful day and I'm here to present a new combination. My name is Mick O'Phee and I'm proud to introduce the O'Phee London double stack container Super B double/triple trailer combination. This is a 32 metre combination and it's the first of its kind in the world. This London trailer combination is all about productivity and high efficiency. This is 100% improvement of efficiency gains over and above the standard Super B double current operating vehicles at the port now. So we've doubled the efficiency. We've named this the London vehicle, and this was a code name that we used during its concept and design stage internally with the customer, with the government, regulatory stakeholders, to keep it under wraps, because this is innovation. This hasn't been done before and we're very proud of what we've done. So we've called it the London, and it's a play on the name of the London double-deck buses. As we all know, it's a famous icon of the world. Well, here we are, we've just double-leaped it. So this combination stacks up as a great innovation. Obviously, with double stacking containers, you are seeing creative thinking at its best and manufacturing at its best. This combination has the ability, in its current Super B double form here, 32 metres, to carry 8 20-foot containers or 4 40-foot containers. If we add another trailer, make it into the B triple, I'll let you do the maths. So that improves it again. So that's what it's all about. High productivity, high efficiency container movements. This O'Phee London Super B double combination has a 100% Australian compliant load restraint system. This hasn't been done before, so we're fully compliant with Australian and supported by the NHVR. This is Australian manufacturing, delivering on manufacturing, productivity and sustainability. We hope you enjoy the O'Phee London combination, proudly designed and manufactured here in Brisbane by the Drake Group team. So come and have a look at its special features, and we're proud of what we've displayed. Enjoy the truck show, enjoy the combination. It's the first of its kind in the world. It's doubly good. We're super proud. Thank you.